business now. The realest nigga that I knew, you done turned big now. I heard they got you in that room, you put that business out. I bet they gave your ass before said you was getting out. Now sit your dumb ass down. Bitch, I would've minded you down.
Driving the Evo, get a little fun. This thing throwing leaves all over the car. Just washed it too, guys. This car was just cleaned like 10 hours ago in the morning because I had it tarped up overnight. And well, I mean, you know, see now it's being driven, so isn't just parked all day. Don't mind the service engine soon. It's just a noise sensor. But right now, just cruising around for a little bit. Just barely put in some E85 in this thing because I was running 91 just to clean out some stuff, injectors and all that. This car sounds beautiful though. Like, I mean, I don't know if the video catches it, but it sounds so good. It's kind of crazy. There's a Mustang like 3 cars back. I don't know, man. He's giving me some eyes. I don't even see him. Blue Evo. Right, I like that. I don't know, the 10s aren't really my favorite, but right now I just got some food. I don't know where the camera's pointing, to be honest. Yeah, this thing doesn't show, so whatever. But just got some epic wings, you know, the vibes. Got the GoPro thing. I took it off because I had to put on the head mount, you know. I mean, I don't know. Sounds good though. We'll do windows down. I don't know how well you guys can hear, but just for you guys. Anyways, well, let me know if you guys want to see any more videos of just like driving around in an Evo or working on it. Oh, actually, well, comment down below if you guys want to see like any videos of me working on this car, or me and my brother-in-law working on this car and doing stuff to it. We also have like two or three other cars that we're working on, so if you guys want to see videos about us working on any of those, I mean, comment down below. I think we're gonna start recording all that, like what do we do. But yeah, I mean, I guess let us know in the comments if you want to see anything, like more driving videos with this Evo, us building cars, you know, because I mean, we're gonna do it either way, you know. If you guys want us to record, we're down. Why not? We have fun. So I mean, I guess just let us know. Any trips to Mexico would be fun. I don't know if you know. This is awkward. I don't know. I mean, if you guys can't tell, not that comfortable with the camera. I mean, I don't know. I've never really done this. So, yeah. I mean, it's still recording, which is good. Let's see. Yeah, it's still recording. Also, I mean, I have the Mitsubishi gauges, you know, all 3 of them. This one, I had to check. I think the ground isn't good no more, so it just kind of doesn't work no more. These 2 still work. This one just doesn't light up. And I mean, everything else in this car works. You know, the MR. I don't know what else to tell you guys, but you know. Gotta be careful. Sound good though. This exhaust is like the perfect amount of loudness that you'd want in a car, to the point where it doesn't drone a lot and it sounds really good. Maybe I'll get a shot from the outside, you know. For the end of the video, you guys will probably see that if anything, but for now, you know. So right now, I think I might go to SOS Custom Smart to see about another car that we have that we want to see about getting some body work done. But for now, you know, this thing. But let me know what you guys think. This car drives really good. We don't really have any issues. Let us know in the comments down below what you guys want to see. You know, we kind of want to start YouTube. I mean, we work on cars all the time, so you know, why not make videos out of it? It'd be really cool. You know, I mean, and also, like, you know, if you guys want to see it, let us know. I guess